let's start in underhand butterfly. And then let's do a butterfly turnaround. Actually, let's start an underhand butterfly on stage left. And let's do a butterfly turnaround traversing to the right. So right out, step, left in, and then right out, step back, left in. Now you're on the right side. Now from here, do an underhand opposite hip roll. And then I want you to go up to the butterfly, back to the front of the butterfly, and then up to the pinwheel. And then let's do an extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, right one more, left one more, and now the last time right, last time left, and then bring it back down into an underhand butterfly. Go back into the hip roll, come back to the butterfly, and now we're going to traverse to the left and go back where we were. So left out, step, turn, right goes in, left out, step, turn, right comes in. We're back in underhand on the side where we started, and now do an angel and down, angel and down, angel and down. Last one, angel and down. Now come up, do an angel, do a big extension, come back down, and then hip reel. So you're going directly into that hip reel, and come back to the butterfly. Let me show you it again. And you bring one hand behind your back as you're coming down, so you can go directly into the hip reel, and one hand in front of your body. And then come back to the butterfly, and then we'll go angel up, 4 and down, 3 and down, 2 and down, 1 and down. Now come up and angel, come down right behind, left and front, or whichever, into your hip reel, come back to your butterfly, and traverse to the right. So right out, step forward, left comes in, turn, step your right foot back as your right comes out, turn, left comes in, underhand butterfly on this side, and then drop stall, overhand butterfly, thread the needle, plane shift it up, come up over your head, tap your right poi on your butt, and then come into a counterclockwise corkscrew as you move to the left, and then come to the center of your space, plane shift it up to the pinwheel, turn left into the overhand weave. Now do a right turn 360, and then we're going to do a left turn 360, and then do a right turn 360, and then do another left turn 360, third right turn 360, and third left turn 360, and then last right turn 360, and last left turn 360. Then we're going to come out into the overhand cap on this side for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Extension all the way around to the right, and cap 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to go left, 360, and cap for 4, 3, 2, 1. Turning right, 360 again, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. Left, 360. Now we're going to do 2 caps. So 1 and 2, right 360, and 1 and 2, left 360, and cap 1 and 2, right 360, and cap 1 and 2, left 360, come into the cap, and then come down, stall your right poi, stall your left poi, stall your right poi, stall your left poi, stall your right, then your left, then your right, then your left, then your right, then your left, then your right, then your left. You're back to overhand. Okay, then 2 more stalls. We'll do the right one, stall, the left one, stall. We're in underhand now, and now do an underhand cap for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Right turn 360, and do 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Left turn 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Right turn 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Left turn 360, and 2, 1. Right turn 360, and 2, 1. Left turn 360, and last time 2, 1 with the right turn. And now we'll do the last time with the left turn, 2, 1, left turn, and then come back into underhand weave. We're going to turn right to overhand weave. Now we'll do the fountain, right to left. So underhand on the left, overhand on the right. Underhand on the left, overhand on the right. Underhand on the left, overhand on the right. Now add the height change. So come down from overhand, and then go up from underhand. come down from overhand, go up from underhand, come down from overhand, come up from underhand, last time down from overhand, up from underhand. Now we're going to do it differently. Come across, down from overhand. Now watch, when you come over the top here, extension right, then left into overhand on the right hand side. So it'll be coming down low in the fountain across, then extension right, extension left. Overhand, down low, come across, extension right, extension left. Overhand, come down and low, and extension right, extension left. Last time, overhand, come down across low, extension right, extension left. Overhand weave on the right hand side. Open it up and bring it into same time. Stall your poi, wrap them up underhand. You go into the buzzsaw, and then from here, we're gonna take the left one, come up over the top, take the right one, come up over the top, and now we turned in that buzzsaw. Now we're gonna come across the bottom with the left, away from me, so you won't be able to see me, then across the bottom with the right, and away from me, and you'll come back to underhand. So watch it once if you're not familiar with it. I'm coming up and over, and then up and over, and then down and across, and down and across. So you're here in underhand, and we'll go up and over with the left, then up and over with the right, and then you're in overhand on this side, and then we're gonna come down and across with the left, then down and across with the right. And that's doing the left hand turn. And then let's just do a little drill on that one to help you get a little more confident with it. The left one's here like this, just the left hand. So we'll take it across with the left, then down and across with the right. And that's doing the left hand turn.